the studio, had that studio, but nigga, you got to get it. So I'm about to address all these foul tailing artists. You niggas hood, you swag boys, you preppy boys, you fag boys, whatever. Y'all niggas get y'all money. If y'all be like these Dallas niggas, these H-Town niggas and work together, stop arguing behind a bitch nigga and what's set nigga and trying to have stripes when you ain't got stripes, nigga. Be yourself, you got stripes. Get your money right, nigga. Shit, nigga. I'm just gonna be real with it, nigga. That's why y'all don't wanna fuck with me. Cause I be real, nigga. I stutter. I'm the stuttering artist, nigga. I'm the beast of the South, nigga.
Hit that freestyle.
Man, we gonna have to
get it right here, right now.
Watch y'all check it. I made a man get the money, grip flipping up in my Benjamin. Nigga talk a lot of shit, put the dick up in his hand. Oh, that's your own shit. Nigga sawed off, chopped it out, and put a bag in your shit. Watch your body drop out, put them in the city more. I don't feel no remorse. Beat smoke up on these niggas. Yeah, I straight smoke of course. Gotta get my money right. Grinding, spinning, flipping burgers and Sonics. I'm jumping up, sipping on that hydroponic. Nigga, nah, but yeah, nigga, I'm